So here's my Aprilia Tuono, and here you can see the little dash cam I've fitted on the front, just there. And here you can see the rear facing camera. I'm obviously running my stealth number plate at the moment. The only other thing you can see externally on the bike is the trigger there, if you want to basically protect one of the recording files, and that will actually save the front and rear camera files and lock them away so they're not overwritten. At the back of the bike I've got my battery trickle charger. I've also got my flying lead for my heated grip, so when I'm riding the bike I disconnect this one and connect it across to power the heated grips. You don't have to do that, but I've just done it anyway. And then if I take the seat off, you can see under here, this is where the box of tricks are for the dash cam, running the cameras. 2 power leads going here, and then out of this box there's also a little yellow lead, you can see just down here, that I'll run to the back for pickup of the ignition circuit, which basically turns the cameras on front and rear. Okay, well let's get out for a ride.
I think that we've all had enough.